Hello, St. Anthony of Padua Catholic School community. We are so excited to officially kick off Dolphin Donor Week, a special week dedicated to celebrating and supporting our incredible school. This year, we're thrilled to announce an exciting opportunity to make your donation go even further. On Monday, our amazing faculty and staff have collectively pledged to match over $13,800 in donations to the Fund for St. Anthony. That's right, every dollar you give will be matched by the very people who are dedicated to nurturing and educating our children. It's their way of showing how much they believe in the mission of our school and the future of our children. The Fund for St. Anthony is critical to providing the very best education for our students. Your contributions help us to invest in essential programs, faculty development, school security, and so much more. Thanks to your generosity, we've been able to make incredible improvements, from updating curriculum and technology to enhancing campus safety. Donating is easy. You can give online at any time throughout the week. And remember, your gift on Monday will be matched thanks to our faculty and staff.
Let's come together as a community and make this Dolphin Donor Week the most successful one yet. Your generosity today will have a lasting impact on our school and students. From all of us at St. Anthony of Padua Catholic School, thank you for your support.
Join us in supporting our students. Together, we can make a difference.
Thank you, Dolphin Donor!